Hi everyone, here I am, finally back after a few months of absence. And I'm really happy to present you not an Integrity Toys doll, but a beautiful gift set from the JHD Fashion Doll brand. Her name is KATIEGIRL, call me Madam, Yaya Doll gift set. It was presented with these two other KATIEGIRL gift sets, each as stunning as the next, but for budgetary reasons I limited myself to this one. And this new KATIEGIRL has a brand new body with more curves, but we'll see later in the video. Her retail price at global dealers was around £160. I bought her from the Dolls, Toys and Gifts website from the UK. I've put the link in the description below. But I think she's not available anymore, except on the secondary market. Her edition size is limited to 500 pieces worldwide. Okay, let's unpack the doll. Wow, what great packaging made especially for this collection. This gift set takes us straight back to the 60s. The colors, the TV radio, button graphics. Everything looks gorgeous and luxurious. Now let's take off the plastic window to avoid the glare. I always love the fact that there is that to avoid the dust if you want to display your doll in the box. And here she is. Well, I'm in love. She has the Californian skin tone and her hair color is light brown. She has the Yaya head sculpt with the plump lips. Here are two versions of this sculpt. I like her vintage screening and the color palette they used, with the luscious pink lips and eye makeup. Strangely, her earrings are already on. She has long hand-applied eyelashes. She has the new KATIEGIRL curved 12-inch body type. We can see that she comes with an extra outfit and accessories. Here is the certificate of authenticity, number 191 of 500 worldwide. The second pair of hands. 1 and 2 pairs of shoes, a purse, and a second outfit. A beautiful blue maxi dress. Like I said, her earrings are already put in. There are no other jewels. I would have liked to see a ring, a bracelet, or even a necklace. The base of the stand is made of acrylic and has the JHD Fashion Doll logo on it. And the rod of the stand, which I don't like at all. They're worse than Integrity Toys. The doll just won't fit on them, sliding around too easily. Here is the alternate pair of hands with very long manicured pink nails. The first pair of high-heeled shoes or turquoise sandals with gold buckles. Very nice. The Mizi name is embedded on the sole. The second pair of gold sandals. Simple. Here is the gold handbag. It does not open. For your information, I'm holding it the wrong way. Ah, it's better. She comes with a second outfit, an embroidery beaded kaftan maxi dress. I love the colors and fabrics. Okay, here she is out of a box. Look at that face, she looks so pretty. The gold turquoise earrings. Her eyelashes are very long. Oh, her toenails are not painted. Let's remove the flower turban. The hairnet is now removed. Her hairstyle is gorgeous. Here is the turquoise flower turban. It's time to undress her to show you her outfit in detail. So, she comes with a turquoise bikini panties. And a turquoise beading short nightgown with open long sleeves. She has the new KATIEGIRL body type. They said that this body featuring an incredibly hot hourglass figure, more curved. Here she is in the second look, totally dressed with her accessories. And now her original first look. Let's place the doll on her stand so we can look at all the details. I find her gorgeous and so in the 60s theme. A really beautiful gift set. And you, what do you think of her? Don't hesitate to comment. I really hope you enjoyed this unboxing of KATIEGIRL, Call Me Madam. Thank you very much for watching. Like, comment, share and subscribe. Stay safe. See you soon for more unboxing videos. Bye for now.